Why is she waving at me?
Because I'm doing the show.
Oh. Here goes the train. That's a tanker train, you see that? No. Nuri. What does that word mean? Toots? No, a gap, I think is what that said. 3H. One vice, I think is what that said. Move. Move. Addie. Vines. SOS. I think that's a daughter. Oh, there's the NDPU TV. See it? Sire crew.
Top speed of 44 miles an hour.
110 cars and 3 engines.